Welcome to Spartan Stinging Nettle Juice. This is the ultimate blood cleanser using ingredients that are likely growing in your garden or around in your neighborhood. So commonly known as nettle, stinging nettle, amazing food. It's one of the first foods that come up in early spring. So after typically people have eaten rich dried foods during winter, it's the first sign of hope. Nettle shoots up and it is a wonderful blood detoxifier.
Show you, so this is how you pick a nettle without getting stung. There was this old wives' tale or old husband's tale that if you held your breath you weren't going to get stung. So this is how you do it. At the bottom of a leaf the spikes are coming like that. So if you come right in tight to the stalk and come back, you won't get stung. So you see it here? I don't know if you'll quite be able to see it, but the spikes go that way. So if I come at it this way, I can't get stung, but if I go at it that way, I get stung. So when picking it, if you come at it there and come up that way, touch it without getting stung. And you can eat it the same way.
Okay, so one of the keys to neutralizing any bitter green, because next up, Dave, is dandelions, is to use acid.
Okay, wild dandelions are often sold in Italy and Spain as a cultivated food that people love. It's a bitter green that's high in digestive enzymes. It really helps you. And because it's wild, it has this greater composition of antioxidants and phytochemicals because it's literally fighting to survive. So really, really good for you.
Big shout out to Namawell who sponsored this video. They are brilliant. We love their juicers. We started a juice bar back in 2005, so that's 19 years ago. And this is the first innovation we've seen in 19 years in terms of juicers. And this one has a hopper in the top of it, so it takes a full apple. It's hands-free, so it's really, really easy. You put all the veg in, you go away and you come back and you got your juice. So it's fantastic. Wait until you see. Hands-free. Look, Mom, no hands. So we're gonna first open the hopper. And it's really as simple as just putting all the ingredients in. So we're going to put in plenty of delightful stinging nettle. And next up we got cleaver, also known as sticky back. A good natural diuretic to help with cleansing. We're going to go in with half a lemon. I've just quartered it and we're going to pop it in. We're going to use the skin as well because it's really just going to enhance the lemony acidity taste. 3 apples, they're going to help bring sweetness to it and make our bitter greens just taste a little bit more palatable. And finally, a little bit of ginger, just to bring a little bit of heat to it. Oh, there we go, wow. And we're off. Oh, look, here we are, here's the first of the pulp. And look at that for bitter greens. Wow. And the pulp, like it's dry pulp. Okay, this, ladies and gentlemen, is liquid gold. Woo! Bitter greens, baby. Wow, that is so cool. Jeez, what a class juicer. Cool, isn't it? Yeah, it really is amazing.
The dry pulp is a good sign that all the juice has been extracted, or virtually all the juice. A bit of celery, in goes a bit of celery. This really is some serious greens.
So this is packed with chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is it's got nearly the same makeup as blood in your system.
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin, which transports the red blood cells around your body. So green things are just so healthy, they really, really are. Okay, here we go.
Oh, wait, there's a bit more.
Yum, yes, yes, there's a bit more. So nearly have a litre of juice here. This is high-powered Spartan juice. Can you handle it? Stinging nettle power. Yeah. Oh, yes. What a treat, a bit of lemon. Ooh,
you share the same one and keep that
smells
juice.
slightly turning my tongue.
Does it? Here, give me a sniff.
Here we go. Listen, to your good health.
Hey, share.
It's actually grand. It's lovely. No, it's delicious.
There's virtually no taste of the nettle.
That's perfect, yeah.
Like, it's just like a nice green juice.
It's lovely.
Wow, that's my favourite way of taking nettles. Get the benefit of those wild, bitter greens. It's actually really tasty.
It's lovely, yeah.
All that lemon. Just slightly nauseous.
It's lovely. No, it is not.
I don't.
Big shout out to Namawell who sponsored this video. They are brilliant. We love their juicers. Use the code HAPPYPEAR10 to get 10% off and use the link down below in the description. It really is the first innovation we've seen in an upright masticating juicer that has a hopper. Like, it is next level. It's easy to clean. It takes full apples and the quality of juice that comes out is next level. Thank you for watching today. We really wish you all the best and encourage you to eat more veg. Thanks,
Cheers.
Emil.